What do you see? Annika, what do you see?
Look at them. They're starting to move around.
They're flipping their
Uh-oh,
sand all over.
where?
Oh, they're going to fight right there. You see them? Look at them. Look at them there. Oh, I hear one screaming over there.
That guy looks like a real elephant still.
Where's the one biting? Daddy, where's the one biting?
Well, they were right over there. They were going at it. Let's see. Can I see the girls?
Look at those little babies. Those little babies are probably super.
What do you think, Annika? Lenore, do you see them? What do you see? Do you see the seals?
This would be a great place to sunbathe if it weren't for all the sunbathers.
Look at that little baby there. Little pup.
You just don't realize how big they are. Look at that guy though.
They're 3
You
tons.
see him? He has like a real snout on him.
Oh, that one right there. Yeah, he's huge.
That's cute.
Yeah, look at them all.
That's cute.
Yeah. Look at that little pups.
The little baby says, I'm hungry.
What is today? January 21st? And we're at the Piedra something.
Look at how they move. Look at
Piedras
that
Blancas. Oh, look at him. He's moving there. Look at him go.
It's like a little centipede. I wonder why they put sand on themselves.
Keep cool? I don't know. Gotta be to keep cool, huh? With all that blubber. 3 tons of blubber.
Is that how much they weigh?
Yeah. Oh, they're fighting over there, Annika. Do you see them? Straight out there.
There's 2 of them fighting. They have their mouths open.
That same one keeps coming back for something. For a girl. There, see, straight out there.
I'm lifting you up, sweetie. See them down there by the water? They're going. And that one finally said, okay, guy.
I'll move along.
That's cute.
You want to come up there too?
Yeah.
Okay.